Good day, travelers, coming to you live from the Nickelodeon Punta Cana. This is a room tour of the Flat Suite, and this is room 6214. Coming in, this is the restroom, full tub, two double sinks, shower, water closet, and then we have the private master bedroom, king size bed, doors closed on both sides, and this is a family resort. So you know, all of the couches have a pull-out bed. You have a full table and another TV for the family. The couches are pull-out suites. This room holds 3 adults or 2 adults and 3 children. This is the full-blown patio, huge patio, and this is your view. This is the flat suite. Again, this is the flat suite at the Nickelodeon Punta Cana. So if you want to think about booking this resort, contact Good Day Travel. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.